Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making vegan yeast bun. For this recipe I'm using dark brown sugar, all-purpose flour, mixed peel, raisins, vinegar, baking powder, maple syrup, cinnamon powder, baking soda, salt, Malta, non-dairy yogurt and coconut oil. In a bowl I have sifted the flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt, and to that I'm adding the cinnamon powder. Use a whisk to combine the cinnamon powder with the rest of the ingredients. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. To the Malta add the coconut oil, the maple syrup, vinegar and the sugar. Dissolve the sugar in the wet ingredients. Stir that using a whisk. It's time to add the yogurt. I'm using non-dairy strawberry yogurt, but you may use plain. I just couldn't find any plain yogurt. Use a whisk to combine the yogurt with the rest of the ingredients and then set that aside. Now let's prepare the fruits. Take 2 teaspoons of the flour mixture, add to the fruits, mix that just so that they do not sink. Once that's done, now add the liquid to the flour mixture. Slowly, using a wooden spoon, combine those and then use a whisk at the end to combine thoroughly. Now it's time to add the fruits to the mixture, combine well, and then add just 1 drop of browning and stir that into the rest of the ingredients. Now it's time to pour the batter into 2 8-inch loaf pans that have been greased and floured. At the end of that, make sure that you tap the tin on the counter to get rid of the large bubbles. Now let's add some mixed peel on top of that and then bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Once it's done, then use a toothpick to check that it's done. It comes out clean. Glaze the hot bun using honey water mixture, 2 parts honey to 1 part water. Once cooled for about 15 minutes, use a knife to pull away the bun from the sides and remove that from the tin. Glaze all of the sides of the bun. Now let's check the bun to look at the texture. I'm cutting the bun and let's look at it. So the fruits are evenly distributed, it's pliable, it's moist, and above all it's very tasty. Now because it's a vegan bun, you can have this with your favorite vegan butter or your favorite vegan cheese. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.